In the deep silence of the forest, life flourished in perfect harmony. The sounds of nature created harmony, while the animals enjoyed their natural balance. One day, two high-ranking officials come to the forest with the idea of cutting down the forest in order to build a city there.
Agreed, we will start the work soon.
The animals sensed a disturbance in the air, their peace threatened by the arrival of humans with machines that would demolish everything in front of them.
We have a problem. Our cameras have picked up strange mutations in humans. We have to inform the president.
Burn the whole city down.
But there are 500,000 people there.
We have no other option. We must not risk it.
While planes sowed death from the air, people fighted for their lives.
We always advocate for the peace and safety of our citizen. We just want peace.
Then zombies emerged from the ruins. The fight was brutal. The whole city became a howl. Corpses were everywhere. War claimed over 500,000 lives. The city turned into ash and smoke. There were no survivors. Virologists concluded that the infection came through water pipes. It was as if nature had dealt the last blow to human greed. From the ruins and ashes, nature was reborn. Miraculously, in that wasteland, nature found a way to recover. New plants bloomed, pushing through the cracks in the concrete. Animals repopulated the forest, creating a new balance in the post-apocalyptic world. Nature has provided an inexorable response to human destruction. A new hope is born from the ashes, a symbol of recovery in a world that was lost. Yes, the war took away many, but from that chaos, nature emerged stronger and more determined, showing us the power of renewal and reminding us of the fragility of human existence. Never forget the power of nature. AI animation by Clever Production.